Hey there, if you've misplaced your Roku remote control, don't worry, you can get a replacement right here on your iPhone, and best of all, it's totally free. So let's start by going to the App Store. Next, tap in Search and type in Roku. Search on that. This will bring back a couple of options. You'll see a lot of purple. What we want though is Roku App Official. Once you see that one, click on Download. It will take a few moments to download. Now we click Open. Continue. Next. Next. Allow notifications. Now it says sign into your Roku account. And for this, you need the same ID and password you signed in to Roku. Now don't worry, if you don't have it, you can continue as guest. Let's connect your Roku. We'll go to Connect Now. We'll allow Roku to find devices on the local network. It's located my device, connect device. Now the Roku app is fully functional and connected to my device. If you look in the center here, we have remote control. And with this, I can now control my Roku.